Hey, today's recipe is plantain pottage. This was inspired by no other person but SisYemmie's. Anyways, first time here, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you will definitely be notified. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So the ingredients I'll be using today for this plantain recipe will be, of course, plantain. I've got my Tatasi, my scotch bonnet, spinach, onions, salt, mixed herbs, crushed Maggie. Of course, you can use any Maggie of your choice, but I'm using Maggie Star today. Uzizi seed, not the leaf, please. Oil and crayfish. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to make my plantain pottage. Anyway, there's one more ingredient I am not yet to mention, which is my air fry turkey. So in this recipe, I'll be using 3 ripe plantain and 1 unripe plantain, and I'll be cutting them to the shape I want. It's up to you. If you want to cut them bigger, fine. If you want to cut them smaller, then that's fine. I will also be dropping all the ingredients used in this recipe in my description section, so you can check that out as well. Yes, the plantain is ready. It's time for us to start cooking. So firstly, I'm going to be adding my oil to my already heated pan, some onions, and stir. After 1 minute, I'm going to introduce my Tatasi and bell pepper. So what I did here was to blend the Tatasi and bell pepper, boil it in a pot just to reduce the water. This method helps to reduce the cooking time. So yes, that is what I did. Right, so I'm going to stir the sauce very well. Then I will introduce my crushed Uzizi seed and my grounded crayfish. Then stir. I'll cover the sauce for say 3 minutes. Afterwards, then I will introduce my plantain. Once the plantain is poured into the sauce, I'll stir very well to make sure that the sauce, incorporates well into the plantain. Once this is done, I will introduce my stock. So the stock I'm using today is turkey stock. This was made from my previous boiled turkey. Afterwards, I'll then give it a good stir, and then I'll cover for 5 to 6 minutes. So while the plantain is on the stove, doing its thing, it's time for me to start sorting out the air fried turkey. So I'll be cutting them first, then use my hand to shred it. After 5 to 6 minutes, I'm gonna give it a good stir. Stir very well and then introduce my shredded air fried turkey. Yes, my shredded air fried turkey. Here comes my shredded air fried turkey. Afterwards, I'll introduce my spinach leaf. You can use Uguw leaf, what they call pumpkin leaf or scent leaf. I will also be adding some chopped bell pepper. This is optional. After adding the red bell pepper, I'll cover for 1 minute, stir, and the plantain pottage is ready. This looks deliciously yumptious, and this video was inspired by SisYemmie. I'm going to be dropping her link in my description section so you can go check her out. If you've just come across this channel, Uzizi's World, for the first time, please consider subscribing. Also like the video, share if you can, and possibly please do click on that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, bye bye.